In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the room tone from your audio that you created in WeVideo. So the first thing I want to find is I want to find my WeVideo folder and then find my AV audio track. So you can see that this is not a video, this is an MP3. And so we're going to use this MP3 in Audacity. So to find Audacity, you can look for it on your desktop. It should look just like this. If you don't see it on your desktop, come down here to the search and start typing in AUD, and then you should see Audacity and you can click open. It takes just a minute for Audacity to open. You click OK, and then back in my Google Drive, I'm going to right click on my audio and I'm going to download it. And it should show up right here. If you don't see it at the bottom of your Google Chrome page, then you can go to your folder. And then we just downloaded something, so I click on downloads. And then there's my audio track, and you can see I've already downloaded it once. So it doesn't matter which one I get, I just need to make sure I get the newest one. So you can drag it from here, right over here to Audacity, and then it will load in Audacity. And so then I can close these two windows. I'm just going to minimize this one for right now. And we can see our silence. So I'm going to move myself down here. And so this recorded in stereo, which is fine. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to zoom in so that I can see the first 10 seconds. And I actually didn't start talking until about 12 seconds. And there's these little blips here that were different things that it was picking up. So in order to remove the room tone, I'm going to select all that silence. So I just held on my mouse and I dragged. And then I'm going to go up to Effect, and I'm going to find Noise Reduction. So the first thing we have to do is we have to make sure that our step 2 settings are set at 40 and 9 for our sensitivity. And we're going to say get the noise profile. What that does is it looks at all of this and it says, oh, this is the stuff you want to remove. So then we just click randomly in our track and we do Control A to select everything. And I check to make sure the entire track is selected. And now I'm going to come up here to Effect, go back to Noise Reduction, and I'm going to say OK. And then it'll take a moment for it to do its job, and it has removed all that extra sound. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do File, and I'm going to export the audio, and I'm going to export this as an MP3. Please make sure that the file is an MP3. Sometimes it defaults to be a WAV. This is a very huge file, and we do not need that. We need to have the MP3. And so we're just going to save it to our documents. So I'm going to click on Libraries. I'm just going to have it save in Documents. And I'm going to take the number 1 off of here, and I'm going to say Edit. So this is my edited audio track, and then I'm going to click Save. And this will create our audio track. So it asks for you to fill out the metadata. The artist is me. And then you can just put the year. And the track title is my AV audio. And then I click OK. And then it will save it. And the last thing I need to do is I need to make sure that that goes back into my Google Drive folder. So we created a Google Drive folder in our in our Medical Detectives folder. Okay, so if you don't have your Medical Detectives folder, I keep saying Medical Detectives, I mean Multimedia Tech folder, and I should probably be in 3rd hour because that's what this one is for. So you should have a folder called AV Project. If you don't have one, you can create one right now. So this is our AV Project. I'm going to click in this folder. I'm going to go to my yellow folder down here at the bottom of my screen, and I saved it in Documents, and I'm looking for my AV audio. And there it is, and I can tell that this is the correct one because I had typed edit on it. And I'm just going to drag that to my Google Drive and put it here, and now it's ready for me to put into WeVideo to start editing.